Hello friends, today in this video I will share a very unique information with you because today if you check your age will be 2022 according to this method. Each and everybody is astonished about this calculation. Why everybody age is 2022 today. I will share the procedure with you also. So please stay with me in this video, and if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe. For example, if your date of birth is 1940, right now 2022 is going on, and according to this your age becomes 82 years. Now write your year of birth 1940, add your age in this 82. For example, I do this 1940 is your birth year plus 82, your age is 82 equal to 2022. In the same way, another example, if your age is, your birth year is 2001, and according to this your age becomes 21 year, and write 2001 add in this 21 equal to 2022. Another third example, if I share with you that your birth year is 1993, and according to this your age is 29 years, and 1993 plus 29 equal to 2022. So you can share this video with your friends so that they would know about this unique information. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. This is English learning channel, and here we talk on different topics so that new memory, new information, new vocabulary would come in your mind, and in this way you will enhance your speaking power. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Please do subscribe.